My love from the moment I meet you, I know you were special. You light up my life in ways I never thought possible. You are my best friend, partner, and soulmate. I want to spend the rest of my life making memories, laughing and loving. You will marry me. Write me on WhatsApp. I like your smile. I like your eyes. I like your stand. I like everything about you. You make me feel the like the most amusing and luckiest man in the interior. While I wish I could find this caring, loving, beautiful, and kind-hearted woman, how I would spend the rest of my life with together within this beautiful city of Dubai, with lovely and cute son Rashid, and always will beautiful home, and we both can make a better family, and to also together we can be any example to everyone out there. But it seems I am not worthy, or I did not deserve a real love anymore. Your love is like a guiding star leading me through life's darkest darkest nights and brightest day. I am internally grateful for the love and light you bring into my life. With you, I have found my true partner, my confused and my best friend. I wait to love you with all that I am, and all that I will upon the stands where deserve upon the winds are call in the heart of Dubai, where golden to- towers stand till I wait for the endless sky, a prince in this kingdom with dreams that never die. The stars obey whisper your name is the in the night, a love so divine, pure as the moonlight. For I, the crown, am yours to hold. A treasure more precious than jewels or gold in this hills of our places. I see you are gross, a coin best beside in me in every secret space with every breath. My heart sings your song together in love, where we belong for the world. My now me as Dubai pride, but to you, my love, I cannot hide. The man beneath the crown, waiting for the my future coin. Come regain with me in this oasis of my heart. You are the there one is set our designs when though we not yet meet. I will wait, I will wait with honor until that fitting day when you arrive, and together we will stay for every event as stars in the sky. You, my believed, and I hear their sweetheart drew you now that as a beautiful as a rainbow after the run. Yup, it is you, baby. You are smile lights up my world, brighter than my star in the sky. When you are around, everything just feels right, like we are two puzzle pieces that fit perfectly together. I could spend an hour just listening to your voice, getting lost in your eyes, and feeling the warmth of your touch. You are not just me, sunshine on a cloud day. You are the entering sky field, getting me through life's journey. I am so grateful to have you by my side, and I promise to cherish every moment with you, my love. Good morning, my lovely wife. Henny, I love you so much with my whole heart that I have been thinking about you all the night. I cannot wait for us to be together and getting married, but him so worried and said that do not know how you haven't messaged me all night. I went in to say I love you wholeheartedly. I could not let this day go by without acknowledging you are amazingness. I love you so much that you make me smile every day. You are such a fantastic woman with a beautiful heart. I am so lucky to be with you. I know. I didn't know. I know. I do not tell you this often, but I want to know I love you. Your happiness is the most important thing in my life. I will always cherish our time together. They make me so happy. My love from the every first time that I laid my eyes on you. I feel deeply in love with you. You are the woman in my heart. Deserve, darling. I feel in love with you instantly. On the first day I meet you, however, I have to prove it every day how much I am into you. You are the star of my heart. I will still choose you if I was given a second chance. Having you in my heart gives me peace and in eternity joy. I will forever trust you. I love you more than can you imagine. Every day my love for you grows bigger and stronger, my darling. What can be better than looking into your eyes and seeing there the reflection of your souls? You made me happiest woman on earth. Always allow me to be romantic and tell you that a starry sky impending without you, then sun does not warm and nothing please me. Only you fill my life with sense and you loving love. I love you quite of our souls mate. Love is the most magical feeling when you are in love. The world is like a heaven for you. Expressions of love in heart touching words is the most wonderful way which makes any everlasting impressions on the heart and souls of your love meet. So if you want to touch the heart of your souls meet and the full heart with precious and romantic essence of your deep love. Share some I love you quotes and message for lover. Do not wait for your special day, but share our best collected and seraphited best heart touching message whenever you can.